What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, it is a beautiful day here. It's Saturday. We are going to do a few things to the GTR today, kind of get it roadworthy again. Good news is, hold on, let me actually I'm gonna pull out of the garage real fast and we'll get into it. If you guys have been following along on Instagram and Facebook, you guys know. So I officially got the GTR registered in Florida. Had to do it all by mail since I'm out of state. There's my registration. Whoopsie. Yeah. So roughly, it cost me to get it registered about $190. So I got a custom plate. That's actually not too bad. But also, I don't know if you guys can see the license plate that we went with. I don't know if you guys can see the license plate we went with was from Japan. I don't know if you can read it. It's a J right here inside, like the orange. But yeah, so we went with from Japan for the personalized plate. Thought that was pretty cool. What do you guys think? I know I had the option of getting Godzilla, but spelling it with the A was going to be a 4, and also a 33 V-Spec, which I kind of regret not getting one of those. But I thought from Japan was still pretty awesome. I know it's hard to tell, like on video and pictures and stuff, but the GTR is not perfect. I mean, it's a beautiful car, but stuff like this. See right here where the grill is broken. This clip came out on the expressway in Japan and kind of like flopped around and did some damage. You can see where it's fading now. It is a few years old. Also, my GTR emblem, for whatever reason, will not sit straight anymore. So I'm gonna have to fix all that. All right, so obviously fix for that. Let's get some new stuff. Got the emblem here. This came from Nissan for like 38 bucks. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna set this down. I opened it already to make sure that it was in good shape. This thing looks to be in much better quality than the original one. Oh man, look at that. I don't know if you can see. Woo! It comes with pre-cut holes for the emblem. It just looks so nice. Oh yeah, it's gonna look really good. Do the same back on the car. I've been kind of ashamed about that broken one for a while now, so figured first things first, we'll mount the emblem here. If you guys are on eBay, man, I'd definitely recommend these guys. Tom Hesser Nissan. Everything I get comes from Nissan with part numbers, boxes, Nissan boxes, so it's all true OEM stuff. There you go. Oh yeah. So this was shipped on eBay for $38. Brand new OEM GTR emblem for the front. See how easy this thing goes in here. Pre-cut holes. So it really only clips in. Oh shit. All right, so it clips in on the top. Top one has a groove. The bottom one just, they do have grooves as well. So they all three clip in. Alrighty, so with a little bit of effort, I was able to get the logo to be able to slide right into the grill. Whew. All right, I'm breathing heavy over here, guys. Yeah, so all I had to do was take a drill and kind of wallow out the holes a little bit, make them slightly bigger, and it slid right into place. It looks perfectly straight. A lot better than the original one. But look at the GTR emblem. Red, so it's all old and busted, and then got the new hotness. Man, that's gonna make a huge difference for the front of this car. Super stoked. It's able to wiggle the other one off. Take the flathead. There we go. Oh no! Too bad. So sad. All right, so. Oh, it's my twin turbos. You can see them right there. As you can see, when I broke the tabs, I just went ahead and removed the bottom screws so they weren't holding anything on anyway. The new ones are gonna get new screws, so I have to run to the store real fast and grab that. The one thing I enjoy about the Volkswagen over the GTR is it's a little bit more comfortable to drive, but also the sunroof. I know cars that are supposed to be built for a purpose don't have sunroofs because of rigidity reasons, but sometimes it's just really nice to be able to relax, hang out, drive a car with a sunroof, enjoy, like, you know, it's like 75, 76 degrees out here. It feels fantastic. Sometimes it's just really nice, you know? Hey, real quick, what do you guys think about the door cards of the Volkswagen? Is it a little too ricey being red? I mean, what do you think? It kind of matches, got the red in the seats back there in the plaid. So, I don't know. So, just so you guys know, this car will be for sale soon. I'm going to be buying another car for the channel. Hope you guys know what it is already. I'm pretty excited about it. It's going to be a fun build. So, yeah. All right, let's go pick up these parts. I'm going to grab a drink. Let's finish this job up. For those of you that don't know, this has like a little groove. The bottom of this has a lip on the back. The bottom of the grill slides into. So it slides in here, and then it's held in on the back side of here by 2, and then 2 up top. And that's all that holds the grill in, which is super easy, obviously. But sometimes you have to make sure it fits in here properly. All right, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff, you know that GTR's windshield, whenever I was towing it back from South Carolina at Spencer's house, got a rock chip in it. So yesterday I went to Safe Flight. They hooked it back up so it won't spread anymore, it won't get any bigger. It actually made it look less noticeable, so you can barely see it from, especially inside the car, you can't see it at all. So it's pretty crazy. Here comes the bike gang. But yeah, we're gonna throw the new blade on. Also, my LED lights, I had a couple of them have been out for a while. You guys have been giving me crap for who knows how long on Instagram about it. So I'm gonna go fix the LED lights and the speedometer, and then this thing should be good to go. It's just so nice to be doing car stuff again, man. I miss this so much. I know you guys probably miss it too. Basically, that's what the new setup's gonna look. Oh my goodness, it looks freaking awesome. Way, way better. All right, so fast forward a couple hours now. So I'm at my friend Marty's house. He has got like a whole shop in his garage for building stuff. He builds a lot of guns and things. Pretty awesome. But what we're gonna do is take off these end caps on the other side and put the new or my old carbon fiber blade on. There we go. So you can hear the compressor in the background. You can see we're trying to get down just to remove the heads off, get down to the shanks, and we kept one of the adjustment bolts in here just so it doesn't flop around on them. But we're almost through. It's gonna look so much better when we get that blade off. Can't wait. It's been so long since this blade has been on here that a lot of you guys probably have never seen it. With the devil, it's the devil blade. It's covered in pollen right now. It's been sitting in my garage. There's a lot of pollen out here in Louisiana, but it looks super aggressive. It's gonna change the look of the rear end so much, but God, the carbon fiber looks so nice. I love carbon. Got the blade off. You can see there's minimal damage. Marty did an awesome job. Didn't hit anything at all. Nothing looks messed up. It has 4 adjustment screws here. You can change the pitch of the blade from the factory to give it a more aggressive look or actual functional look. That's what it's for, is for downforce.
So this little... Oh.
So the car looks really weird without a blade on it. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the factory blade. Look how it's like really narrow in comparison. This one looks like about an inch wider. Man, it's gonna look so much better. Trying to bang it all around.
Yeah, man, I guess.
So obviously easy. So you have 2 people. I'd go back screw and which hole? I would say second from the bottom, maybe. What do you think? Let's do second from the bottom. On the front hole.
Yep.
Oh yeah, dude. So much better.
It looks so cool already.
And then the back one. Should you have any big washers? The rear holes are too big for the adjustment ones, the adjustment screws. We're gonna put a bigger washer on and then feed it through. That way it's secure on how it should be. But oh my God, look at this, it looks so much better.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
So that's it?
That's it.
There's no bushings in between?
Nope. I'm telling you, it's one of the easiest, cheapest, fastest mods that looks the best. It's crazy though. Such a simple mod makes it look so much more aggressive. And it looks like all GTRs should have a carbon fiber blade. Oh yeah. Man, that looks good. I've missed this blade so much.
Yeah, man.
It hadn't been on the car like almost a year now. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Man, I just put my free.
But wow, what a difference, right? Got the new grill looking good. Got the blade looking good. So I'm all ready for Cars and Coffee tomorrow. It's gonna be a fun day. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that blade so much. God, it looks good. Back on the road again. Got the fully registered. Oh man, such a nice feeling. Oh, so Farouk, if you're watching this, dude, what's up, man? Farouk, we both know Farouk from I know him from Japan. Where do you know him from?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you also okay. So, he's got a white GTR as well. I'll put a picture right here. The car is awesome, super clean. What's up? What's up, bro? If you're still watching.
The brown Clark Kent. Miss you, bro.
But that's gonna wrap it up, man. I want to say thanks to Marty for hooking it up. Literally could not have done it without him because I've tried to get this done for like I don't know, a year now. Partially too lazy, partially didn't have the right tools. So that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.